Man, it's hot today. Done.
What is that? Turn that off. That is so loud.
We need an air conditioner. It is so hot out.
Look, yes, it's starting to get a little hot, but that does not mean bringing the loudest freaking air conditioner in the galaxy.
It's so hot. You don't understand. Luke!
I'm sorry, Leia. We're gonna have to replace this. It's too loud.
No!
Alright, fine, look. Calm down. How about we just leave it on, but we leave the house, and then we come back, turn it off, so that all the cool air stays inside. Does that sound like a plan? Come on, Leia. It's a good idea.
Okay, fine. Good idea.